So let us solve matrix. Matrix is one of the most important topic of SAT examination, and we must know how do we do various calculation and operation in matrix. This video I'll explain how do we calculate determinants of a matrix, then how do we do addition, subtraction, multiplication, how we can find out transpose of a matrix, etc. So let me quickly open up my emulator Classwiz. Let me go to matrix there. I'll define my first matrix as 3 by 3. So I'll say 3 rows and 3 columns. And let me just take in consecutive numbers. That is a sample matrix. Okay, that is my matrix A. Similarly, I'll define my second matrix. I'll go to edit matrix and I'll define my second matrix B. I'll again take this as 3 by 3 matrix. Let me just again put in the random values there. So I have two matrices defined, matrix A and matrix B. Let us first of all find out sum of two matrices. I'll go into option, I'll select my matrix A. I'll put in the sign of addition. I'll again go to option and select my second matrix, that is matrix B, that is number 4. The moment I hit equals to, it gives me the sum of two matrices. Similarly, you can find out subtraction between matrix. Let's say you want to multiply. So let's say you want to do 3 times matrix A times matrix B as well, just for instance. Then you can find out 3 times matrix A, matrix B. Similarly, you can multiply matrix A, matrix B, etc. What if you would like to find out determinants? So if I push option, there are so many options available. Let us press down. You can see determinants number 2. Push number 2 and select R matrix 3. That is matrix A basically. Close the bracket. That does not need to be, but any which way. It equals to, and see determinants is 0. I took the matrix purposely from 1 to 9 so that you would remember this. If you write consecutive number from 1 to 9 in a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, the determinants would be 0. Okay, just for the calculation sake, let's find out the determinants of matrix B. So 2 and option, go in select matrix B, hit equals to, and this time you can see the matrix, the determinants is given, and you see the bracket are also not closed, still it gave you the answer. So you don't need to close the bracket, you can save time there. Let's see what else is there in matrix. So you have transposition as well. You can transpose a matrix very easily. So you would like to transpose, let's say matrix A, I'll say 3 equals to, and it quickly transpose the matrix, basically convert rows into columns and columns into rows. At any point of time, if you would like to find out inverse of a matrix, let's say you would like to find out inverse of matrix A, so you would say matrix A x inverse equals to, it gives you error. Why? Okay, let's try to find out inverse of matrix B. So I'll select inverse of matrix B there, and it gives you answer. You know why inverse of matrix A was an error? Because inverse A is there, we use determinants on the denominator, determinants of matrix A was 0, so it was giving you error. Similarly, if you want to square a matrix, for example, so again you go to option there, select matrix, and let's say you say square, it give you the square of matrix. So matrix is very useful. Please get used to your calculator, whichever you are using. Try to do all these basic functions because it will be very easier for you in examination when you do it. So hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and please post in comment section about your feedback. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.